In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to review timesheets in ClickUp. Whether you're managing your own time or overseeing a team's productivity, ClickUp makes it easy to track, review, and approve timesheets. This tutorial will guide you step by step through the process, from accessing your timesheets to analyzing team-wide data and approving submissions. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident navigating the timesheets feature in ClickUp, ensuring everything is accurate and up to date. Let's get started. First, open ClickUp in your browser or the desktop app and log into your account. If you're new to ClickUp, it's a powerful project management tool designed to streamline your workflow. If you don't already have an account, you can use the link in the description to sign up. Once you're logged in, make sure you're in the correct workspace, especially if you manage multiple teams or projects. This ensures you're working with the right data for the tasks at hand. Next, locate the More option in the sidebar. Depending on your setup, this might appear under an expandable menu or as a small arrow. Click on More, and this will open a drop-down list or a new panel with advanced options. From this list, select Timesheets. Now you're in the Timesheets section. Start by reviewing the My Timesheets tab. This is where you can view your own tracked hours, including detailed information like tasks, dates, hours logged, and any notes you've added. Take a moment to carefully review this data. If you notice any discrepancies, such as incorrect hours or missing entries, make the necessary edits or updates to ensure everything is accurate. Once you've reviewed your personal timesheets, navigate to the All Timesheets tab. This is where you can view tracked time for everyone in your workspace. Here you'll find insights into team-wide data, including who worked on what, when, and for how long. Use this data to analyze trends such as overtime, underreported hours, or patterns across specific projects. This is a great way to ensure your team is staying on track and to identify areas that might need attention. If you're responsible for reviewing or approving timesheets, click on the Approval tab. This is where you'll find submissions that need your attention. Carefully review each entry, checking for accuracy and completeness. If you notice any issues, you can add notes or send the entry back for correction. Once everything looks good, finalize the process by approving the timesheets with a single click. And that's it. You've now learned how to review timesheets in ClickUp step by step. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.